our agency just totally fell apart, lost all their technical resources, and then there was nobody left to basically know or do anything. So, we kind of needed another partner. Classy came into a difficult situation because we had previously built a website for an ERP that we no longer used, and with an agency that we had to fire. The initial conversation with Classy coming up with okay, here's all the challenges in front of us.
Yep.
And here's maybe some things that are going to be big rocks that may hold us back from accomplishing Phil's pretty unrealistic timelines. And we're on track to launch what I thought we could launch when I thought we could launch it. And Classy did a great job of kind of admitting okay, we don't know what we don't know, but we're going to let Phil pull in other resources from the past project. It's been kind of, we're all rowing in the same direction with multiple vendors. So it's been really smooth, very organized.
Yeah.
And it was, I can tell you, it was a disaster before Classy got involved and before Sean was here. So it's been an A+ experience. I really, other than the conservatism at the very beginning, which I understand, I have no complaints.
18 of our top 50 projects are what we call rescues, which is...
Yeah, this is a rescue. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, we were a dog that got the shit kicked out of it and needed some family to love us, You guys did a good job with the turnaround, and you did a good job being open-minded and going, okay, we're going to take some bets on stuff we actually don't know and trust our client a little bit here. We never had any hard conversations like we had to with the past agency. I wish I could say that there was something that I would recommend you guys do differently, but I think you kind of nailed it out of the gate, and that's why we are where we are.